y'all, welcome back to the channel Dose of Smiley. Just want to do a quick little announcement. I am going to be changing up my videos in a little bit. I'm trying to get more focus on one thing and not just be all over the place, because lately my videos have been like kind of like little vlogs, unboxing videos, something about my locks, what else, little stuff like that. They've just been all over the place, but my main focus always has been my original channel that I made a long time ago, that I still have, that I plan on getting up and running. It's called Plug-In with Smiley, and that one was supposed to be a tech channel, because Smiley's always been my nickname. I smile a lot, I giggle a lot, I laugh a lot. I find a lot of things funny that I shouldn't always find funny. So that's just what people have called me. I'm an adult now, so people don't call me that so often. But I was like, I thought it'd be like a cute little YouTube name. I mean, it's YouTube. It's not like nothing official, or it's not that big of a deal. So I think I'm going to start shifting my focus more to all type of tech, electronics, video games, just electronics, period. Computers. I've always had a love for electronics and tech. It's just stuff like that is so expensive, and it's not easy to just splurge. Like, I've always been a responsible person, so I'm never the person to just splurge my money on ridiculous stuff. I mean, I already got enough stuff that I don't even use or utilize. So I'm like, why not make videos of it and also help me get right back into playing it, using it, whatever. So I got different video systems: Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, Nintendo 64, PlayStation 2, Nintendo 3DS. My hand was hurting. What else do I got? I got a couple of other things and stuff like that, but and I got like this little cheap camera. Maybe I can, do a video to see if a camera from back in 2010 is any good. Just little stuff like that. Just try to, review my phone a little bit, my games that I play, because I be finding some really cool stuff. So that's cool. And like, I like to mod things. I like to hack things. Not hack. I like to mod things, is what I mean to say, which is kind of like the same thing. I like to mod things, mod games, mod systems. I used to love to mod systems when I was younger. I used to mod the Xbox, the PlayStation, all the iPhones, iPads. I used everything, like the PSP, the PSP. I used to mod those, like stuff like that. So I don't have a PSP. That's one thing I don't have, is a PSP, because those things fell off the face of the earth, y'all. But I'm gonna start doing some more videos like that, and try to turn my focus and my audience. I hope the people that still rock with me still rocking with me, because I do want to continue to do all the other stuff that I'm doing, but I feel like I kind of need to focus on one thing, because I'm all over the place. And then I don't do videos because I don't know which one to do from which, because I'm all over the place. So if I stick to one little type of, demographic, genre of, things, electronics, then I think I'll do a better job than doing, cooking videos, unboxing videos. I'm always gonna do those, because those are cool no matter what you get. But like all other electronics and stuff like this, so the vlogs, because I'm still not really comfortable in front of the camera. That's another reason why I don't do a lot of these talking face to face. But I'm still gonna be face to face when I do my tech stuff, depending on what they are, just showing different things off. I have to get more into it again. How to, you'll see. I'm gonna take you into my world of how I geek out on my tech, like just, I love to learn, like learning new things, and I think that's what you get from technology. I like learning things, building things. I plan on eventually building a computer. Been wanting to do that forever. So I'm gonna do it soon. Once I get my money back up after that trip to VidCon. Whew. And then yeah, we should be all good to go, you know. So check out for the new channel stuff, new channel art, new channel intro, outro, everything's gonna be new. Coming this week, I'm gonna start working on it, so I won't be having no more videos out. And then starting fresh next week, I'm gonna hit you with bangers. Excuse me. Every couple of days. So stay tuned, y'all. Peace. Y'all, this is amazing. Getting these two dogs to sit down near each other, only for a treat. My little dog, Chloe, her right there, she don't really mess with him like that because he big and he don't understand. He a puppy. She 3 years old. Look at that. She 3 years old and his big butt is 6 months. He be playing a little too rough for her. She don't like it, but, you know, she handle her own. Now she do. The only way they sitting down there together in harmony is because of the tree. And as soon as he finishes that tree, watch, he gonna be on her butt. Like crazy. He almost done. Uh-oh. Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum 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 dum. Oh, she better hurry up. My man's about to take it from her. I guarantee he gonna try to take it from her. If she fast, she gonna dip off of her tree because she don't play about her treats. Leave her alone, Blue. Blue, you liable to get bit for this. She don't play. Blue. Guys, now we're back. Hey, Blue. Just like I predicted, he went over there to grab her tree, and she was not about that life, man. Oh, y'all can't see the paraphernalia with it. Blue, say hi. Say hi to the vlog. This may potentially go on the vlog. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. I just want y'all to see how big he is if I get him to sit down. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Look how big my baby is. Sit. Sit. Stay. Look how big he is. Sit. Taking my dog out to pee. She take forever. Chloe, get from over there. Are you gonna pee or what? You gotta poop? Huh? You done? Are you done, ma'am? Come on, let's walk. You over here pulling me. You done? You don't gotta poop? Okay. Walking back home with my Chloe beans. Chloe. It's my baby. It's my first baby. My Chloe beans. She's tiny. See how tiny she is. Compared to my other doggy, Blue. He was already walked. So now it's just her. Do a little late night walk session with my baby. Right, Chloe beans? Oh, she hear people. Uh-oh. We're going back home, baby. All right, y'all. Peace.